Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nyan Prabha. Today we are going to see vaccination and antibodies. So let's start. Have you ever wondered how vaccines protect us from diseases? In this video, we will understand how vaccinations work and how our body uses antibodies to fight infections. By the end of this video, you will able to understand what a vaccine is made up of. You can describe how our immune system responds to a vaccine and explain how our body reacts when exposed to the same pathogen again. A vaccine is a substance that contains inactive or weakened antigen of a disease-causing pathogen. When a vaccine enters our body, it does not cause disease, but it trains our immune system to recognize and fight that pathogen in the future. When a vaccine is injected into the body, it introduces an inactive form of pathogen. This is completely safe but helps the immune system prepare for a real infection. Our white blood cells detect the antigen and start producing antibodies. These antibodies are specific, meaning each antibody matches a particular antigen like a lock and key. The antibodies attach to the antigen on the pathogens. This causes the pathogen to clump together, making them easier to destroy. Next, white blood cells engulf and destroy these pathogens through a process called a phagocytosis. This is how our body removes harmful invaders. Now, primary infection. The primary infection is when the body encounters a pathogen for the first time. During this stage, antibodies are produced slowly. They reach their peak after about 10 days and then gradually decreases. Now, what happens in a second exposure? When the pathogen enters the body again, the immune system responds much faster. White blood cells quickly produce large amount of antibodies. This rapid response prevents the disease from developing. So, vaccine help our body remember pathogen and fight them quickly in the future. This is why the vaccination is an important for the protecting ourselves and other. Stay safe, stay protected. Thank you very much.